So I'm looking at number 2, right? So 18x squared plus 15x minus 12. So I'm looking at 18, 15, and 12. They do all share a factor, so they've got a common factor of 3. Okay, so that means down here I know I'm going to have a factor of 3. If I factor that 3 out, to get 18, I've got to multiply it by 6, so 6x squared, so 3 times 6x squared is 18x squared, plus 5x, 3 times 5x is 15x, minus 4, 3 times negative 4 is negative 12, so I'm fine. So I've got my factor of 3 down here, right? So that leaves me with 6x squared plus 5x minus 4 left to factor. Okay, so now I just go into the process that we've been doing for the last couple of days. 6 times negative 4 is negative 24. Okay, now I'm looking for numbers that have a difference of 5 that still multiply to get 24. That makes me think of 3 and 8. Okay, now one of them's got to be negative because 24 is negative, but they got to add to have a positive 5, so my smaller number is going to be negative, right? Negative 3 and 8 adds to get 5. Okay, so I'll come down here. Now I'm going to have 6x squared, my minus 3x, plus my 8x, minus 4. Okay, so now I can group the first two and the last two. 6x squared minus 3x squared, 6 and 3, they share a factor of 3 and an x. They both have an x. That leaves me with 2x. 3x times 2x is 6x squared minus 1. 3x times negative 1 is negative 3x. Plus, so 8 and 4 share a factor of 4, which would leave me with 2x and a minus 1. 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times negative 1 is negative 1. Okay, so that's good to go. And again, notice I've got 2x minus 1 in both of my parentheses. And that last factor is a 3x plus 4. Now, I'm done. Okay, if I want to check this, I can. I'm going to check it a little quicker than I did example 1. Go ahead and distribute. 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. And this other factor was 3x plus 4. So I distributed that 3 now. I can FOIL my first terms. 6 times 3, 18, x and x is x squared. Outside is 24x. My inside, negative 9x. And then my last two terms are minus 12. I can combine these two. 18x squared, 24x's minus 9x's would leave me with 15x's and then my minus 12. Okay, notice this matches the original expression, so my answer is good.